Hi, I'm Stephen Harris, the Finance and Commercial Director here at Minicam. We moved to our new facility here in Salford following a period of sustained growth. We had 3 sites previously in the north of England and have combined them into one in a modern facility for manufacturing, service and all of our head office functions, which is a great place for both our employees and our customers.
I'm Mike Davis, Technical Lead in R&D at Minicam.
We develop future products like the lateral launch system, which has just become available, and the next generation of control units, which we're just working on now.
Hi, I'm Glenn Guest, Operations Manager at Minicam. Here in our service centre, we repair all your Proteus and Solo Pro Plus products.
Hi, I'm Adam, Senior Auto Electrician here at Minicam's in-house van fit department. Here we have our own auto electricians join us. We take empty vehicles and convert them into full CCTV inspection systems. We cover things from solar, Wi-Fi, welfare including kettles, microwaves and toilets.
Hi, I'm Simon Speed, Production Supervisor at Minicam. Here in the production area we produce 2 main product lines. We have Solo Pro Plus and the Proteus range. Solo Pro Plus is a coiler system, basically for push rods, and we do it in varying lengths from 40 metres to 120 metres. Supplied with fixed cameras, or there's a pan and rotate option for your needs, wherever it might be. The Proteus line itself is a crawler system with cable. That varies from 100 metres to 500 metre systems.